In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 look better and improve visibility so you can see enemies easier. Start by opening the graphics setting. Make sure the display mode is set to full screen exclusive. Scroll down and select the brightness option. Set the brightness according to the guide or slightly brighter. If your brightness is too high, then the game will look washed out and lose depth. Go back. Turn off HDR, then apply changes. Switch to quality. Set render resolution to 100. Scroll down and set particle quality to high. Find the shadow and lighting options. Set shadow map resolution to very low. Screen space shadows to off. Spot shadow quality to low. Turn on cache spot shadows. Set spot cache to low. Turn on cache sun shadows. Set particle lighting to low and turn off ambient occlusion. Find post-processing effects, then set NVIDIA Reflex to on plus boost or on. Turn off depth of field and both motion blur options. Set film grain to 0. Apply settings, then switch to view. Set your field of view. A higher field of view will allow you to see more around you, but also make objects smaller and appear further away. I recommend an FOV between 90 and 120. Set ADS field of view to affected, with both weapon and vehicle field of view set to wide. Set both camera movement options to least. Go to the interface options. Select color customization. Set color to filter to with the target set to both. Use a world intensity of 80 or higher and interface intensity set to 100. Adjust the interface colors as you like. I recommend using a vibrant color for enemies, such as red, yellow, or pink. If you are used to old Call of Duty games, then you may want to switch the team and party colors. Go back. Turn off all subtitles. Go to HUD, then make sure player names is set to full name. Next, you will want to adjust your display colors to make Modern Warfare 2 look more vibrant and colorful. To start, you will want to play with your monitor or TV settings. Typically, there will be color and enhancement options that will help you make the game look better. We will have a list of settings on screen with how you will want to adjust them. For options such as brightness, contrast, and gamma, you will want to play with the settings with the goal of ensuring the game looks brighter without losing depth. If the game looks as if there is a white film on it, then decrease your brightness or gamma. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can make MW2 look better using NVIDIA color settings. Right-click your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. Select Adjust Desktop Color Settings from the side. Choose the monitor you use to play Modern Warfare 2. Set the color channel to all channels. Adjust the brightness and contrast settings to make it easier to see in dark areas without making the game look washed out. Typically, you will want to have the brightness and contrast set between 50 and 55. We will have some example settings on screen to try. To help you find your ideal settings, you can open a screenshot from in-game or have the game open in a mode other than full screen so you can see it. Set digital vibrance to 60 or higher. This will make Modern Warfare 2 look more colorful. You can also slightly adjust the hue, which will shift all the colors on your screen on a wheel, with 0 and 360 being the same. As to not distort the colors too much, we recommend only using a hue between 0 and 15, or 345 and 360. I prefer to leave this at 0. Apply changes and close. Modern Warfare 2 will now look better. Like the video if you found it helpful, and check out our video here for the best Modern Warfare 2 PC settings.